Hello, my name is Laveta Hayes, and my passion is financial education. I'm a proud world system builder with WFG, and we are on a mission to educate and empower 30 million families by 2030. I would like to personally invite you to our Thursday night financial workshops, always online and free. In these workshops, we offer financial information and answers to questions that our community and families need to know. The monthly topics are building a strong financial foundation, proper protection, building wealth, asset accumulation, retirement planning, wealth preservation, increased cash flow, debt management. We are here for you, community. Learn more and sign up online 24/7 at www.livinglegaceswithlaveta.com. Shout out to us on Facebook and Instagram, or simply contact me directly, and I will send you the access links and information to these free workshops. Reminder, financial workshops are every Thursday, 7 p.m. See you soon online.